welcome to my channel. Collard greens are a type of large leafy green vegetable which were originally grown in ancient Greece. Nowadays, we can find them in many supermarkets all over the world. Today, we will go to Portugal. In this beautiful southwestern European country, facing the Atlantic Ocean, we can discover a very delicious traditional soup made with collard greens. Its Portuguese name is Caldo Verde, green soup. So let's start it. The ingredients we need today are collard greens, Portuguese chorizo, and other very commonly used ingredients in Portuguese cuisine, potatoes, onion, garlic, and olive oil. Collard greens are in the same family as kale and cabbage. Their leaves are very large and rich in nutrients. If you can't find them in the supermarket, you can use kale instead. Portuguese chorizo is made from fat and lean meats marinated for a few days in wine, garlic, salt, and spices. After filling it in natural casing, it is cured in a home-made wood smoker. Now let's prepare the ingredients. We cut a potato and onion into pieces. We remove the stems of collard greens and cut the leaves into very thin slices. Then we cut the chorizo into about 1 to 2 mm thick slices. Put about 2 liters of water in the pot. Then put the potatoes, onions, and garlic into the water. Add some olive oil and cook for about 30 minutes with medium heat. The potatoes can increase the consistency of the soup. The onion and the garlic can improve the taste of the soup. When the potatoes and the onion are cooked, turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit. Then puree the ingredients with a hand blender. When the soup is boiling again, add the collard greens and let it boil for another 5 minutes. Finally, put a little bit of salt and a pepper, then olive oil and a chorizo. Turn off the heat and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Now this delicious Portuguese soup is ready to serve. This is a lightly thick and green soup with a piece of red chorizo. It is really pleasing to the eye and smells very good. Let's try it. It tastes the fragrance of the collard greens mixed with the rich flavor of chorizo. It is really delicious. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Obrigada.
Ba ba da ba da ba.